Yeah, now it's okay.
ठीक है, ठीक है। तो हम थोड़ा सा तो कर चुके हैं, we have covered a little, we'll not touch upon that again. Let's go further, last recording में already available होगा. Okay. So let's go from here. Guard against despair. We are in despair, कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा, मेरे काम का मेरे काम का तो कुछ भी नहीं है, मेरे बस का नहीं है, that kind of a despair situation. So I would ask one of you to take this up, read the paragraph, and then we can discuss.
I'll
Okay, I'll
read.
do
Shall I
it.
go first?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Everybody is
Good
ready.
one.
Wow.
Clapping for all of you. That's glad to see this happening. Yeah. Okay.
So who's doing it?
Monica, choose.
Okay, I will choose. Okay, so Ritu has joined us after a long time. Let Ritu
Yeah.
start. We can follow.
Okay.
Yeah.
For some people, events are always contrary to what they desire or aspire for or believe to be good for them. They often despair. Is this a necessity for their progress? Despair is never a necessity for progress. It is always a sign of weakness and tamas. It often indicates the presence of an adverse force, that is to say, a force that is purposely acting against sadhana. So, in all circumstances of life, you must always be very careful to guard against despair. Besides, this habit of being somber, morose, of despairing, does not truly depend on events but on a lack of faith in nature. One who has faith, even if only in himself, can face all difficulties, all circumstances, even the most adverse, without discouragement or despair. He fights like a man to the end. Natures that lack
Sorry. Yeah.
Last line.
I think Ritu का connection गड़बड़ हुआ.
Stuck हो गई.
Yeah. Natures that lack faith also.
Faith, endurance,
Yeah,
and
Shri,
courage.
you
Yeah, I'm
got
sorry,
stuck.
I lost it in between. Yeah. So,
हाँ.
should I continue?
Yeah, last line आप बोल रहे थे ना, natures वाली.
So, he fights like a man to the end. Natures that lack faith also lack endurance and courage.
Great. So just share your
Yeah.
comments
So
on.
this happens with me a lot of time. I mean, like I shared the voice message with you saying that when I'm at home, everything seems easy. I mean, I can guard my behavior. I can guard my thoughts. But when I go out for work in the office environment, those are the real situations wherein I need to improve myself. So in those situations, sometimes it feels like oh it's just not possible. I mean ये सब तो ऐसे लगता है कि सिर्फ सिर्फ ज़्यादा सुनने में अच्छा लगता है करने में तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है especially in the office situation. So that's when I feel that I don't know whether this is gonna be helping me or not. I mean, because I become more observant of what I do and think in the office. Earlier, it was very comfortable. I could just be having that dual nature of I mean, on the face of it, being something else and maybe having a different thought behind.
Yeah.
But तो हर चीज में I need to think and I need to kind of weigh it against what we are learning here. So in that situation, I've discussed it with my dad also that what should one do? I mean, because both of us go for work together. So he also tells me कि work situation में तो ये सब follow करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है because in a work situation you have to be manipulative at times. So I don't know how to kind of bring this into practice.
जी जी जी.
So those are the moments of despair wherein I think पता नहीं मेरे लिए ये सब है भी कि नहीं है.
What about you two? Having faced despair, Nehal and Sneha.
मेरा तो रोज का है पर कम हो गया है अभी But I think I face this every day. But what I have come across now as a conclusion is that it's not about the external events because of which you have that feeling. It's something within you, which is actually putting you in that phase. So if I correct that, maybe this kind of sufferance won't come. So I still need to work a lot. पहले जितना डिस्टरबेंस होता था उससे थोड़ा कम होता है, और अभी होता है तो आई रियलाइज कि ये ऐसा फील हो रहा है. आई आई टर्न इनटू द थर्ड पर्सन एंड ट्राई टू सी द सिचुएशन, एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि ये देखो ये गड़बड़ हो गई इसलिए ये हुआ है. सो there is nothing like I blame people because of that, but I strongly feel because there is something missing within me. That's why I'm put in that phase.
Okay.
So it needs to be still no corrected more and more.
Yeah. What about you, Sneha?
Monica, I think despair is the most prominent emotion I get to access, just because it's not particularly with what's happening outside, but when I look at myself, I'm usually operating within numbness or despair, and it doesn't stop me somehow.
Yeah.
It's just like it makes me, but it makes me resentful.
जी.
Matlab I'm sad and that despair is there. It just makes me feel very resentful of the world and people. So though activities are being accomplished, I'm not feeling the joy.
Yeah, I agree with this. Yeah, this
This is what
happens many a times. You start wondering that everything is good the way you want it, still why you are not happy.
Yeah, and in fact, I've stopped expecting like ha ha he happiness from life or from myself. Um, uh, so I mean that Buddhist principle of okay, there is dukkha, there is suffering. So I operate from that. So now I'm checking is that feeling despair because it's not pulling me down, but I have a very as in suffering just calls to me. I feel मुझे दिखता है इतना suffering दिखता है. So mm, so what I'm trying to say is that despair is very present in my life. um it makes me resentful towards my parents. It brings blame. That is, I think, special. I give them my this thing, but other people I don't blame. Parents, somehow they're easy to blame, I think. So that's my conditioning. I've noticed in myself. And I'm checking, like more like last 2 months I've been in therapy, and so I'm able to access more emotions, and I'm able to check कि am I rehearsing tragedy, कि बाद में दुख होगा इसलिए now only I'm rehearsing.
Right.
So yeah, that's it. But I'm aware it's mine and it's totally my own doing.
So mother is here sharing that actually all of us go through despair. It's nothing special, it's nothing personal कि रितु को होता है, सिर्फ नेहल को होता है, सिर्फ स्नेहा को होता है, सबको होता है. I don't think there is one person who has not been through despair. And here mother is saying that despair is never a necessity. जरूरत नहीं है उसकी, but वो है. In greater or a lower degree it is present. It is always a sign of weakness and tamas. अब देखो weakness भी global है, tamas भी global है. Throughout the human population, weakness is something, tamas is something which will be found in us, right? So we don't have to be shameful about it कि मेरे को despair है, मैं क्या करूं इसका, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. We all go through this just like other emotions of jealousy, hatred, all these so-called negative emotions. All of us have them. तो इसमें कोई, पहली बात तो ये है कि कोई स्पेशल चीज नहीं है. दूसरी बात ये है कि ग्रेटर और लेसर डिग्री में प्रेजेंट होगी, क्योंकि तमस तो पूरी ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन में प्रेजेंट है, इनर्शिया. ठीक है. सो इफ वी बिकम a little intimate with ourselves that there is one little entity in me which enjoys the dukh ras. One little entity, कुछ है छोटा सा मेरे में जो दुख को एंजॉय करता है, और कुछ है जो आगे बढ़ने को भी तैयार रहता है. अब आप किसको ज्यादा तवज्जो देना चाहेंगे, किसको प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा देना चाहेंगे. We have lived our lives, many years of our life in taking the sadistic pleasure out of that rus, sadistic rus, you know, pleasure in that dukh. और वो हमको बहुत ज्यादा आगे नहीं लेके जाता है, वो हमको थोड़ी देर तो इनफैक्ट काफी साल कभी कभी घुमाता रहता है एक ही ट्रैप में, नो घुमाता रहता है. तो मदर ये कह रही है कि वो घूमना जरूरी नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए, तुम एक दिन घूम के भी आगे बढ़ सकते हो. तुम्हें किसने कहा है कि 5 साल तक उसी दुख रस में घूमो, किसी ने नहीं कहा. अगेन फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज टारगेटिंग टू आवर फ्री विल. देखो फ्री विल आ रही है मेरे वो स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्शन से, जो मेरे अंदर एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्शन है. द वीकर पोर्शन एंजॉयज द सैडिस्टिक प्लेजर, द वीकर डज नॉट वांट टू मूव, द तमस डज नॉट वांट टू मूव, इट इज द वेरी नेचर ऑफ द तमस. तो उसका कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. ये किया जा सकता है बाय ओइंग टू माय फ्री विल. In any moment when I feel ready, I push myself outside of that dukh ras. And I push it. बहुत hard है, बहुत hard है. Easy नहीं है, किसी के लिए भी easy नहीं है. But जब हम ठान लें कि मैंने बहुत गंदगी में झूल लिया, मुझे अब और नहीं झूलना, तब हम जब तैयार हैं गंदगी से निकलने के लिए, then one has to push oneself out. Okay? So mother is saying it is never a necessity. Okay, so we choose how much of degree in my life I want to give it, and then when I am ready to move, I move away from it. It often indicates the presence of an adverse force. Now mother often says that thoughts and feelings are not present within us, we catch them from outside. As if imagine कि यहाँ पे हवा में, you know, हवा में कोई invisible thoughts, feelings, negative so called, you know, घूम रही हैं. And when I am not centered within deeply my heart, so what do? I am scattered in the surface. I catch it. I catch that negative thought. I catch that force, जिस adverse force की मदर बात कर रही है. So this is how we catch, because we are not able to reject. कि imagine करो कि एक पूरी की पूरी story है, वो घूम रही है और वो आने वाली है मेरे अंदर, thought के अंदर, mind के अंदर enter करने वाली है. But I am aware and I say no to it. I reject it. Then it cannot enter. I have used my free will. But if I am not aware of my free will, I don't know how to use it, then it will enter and it will make my, you know, being its home. और मैं उसके प्रकोप में पड़ी रहूंगी 2-4 दिन या 1 साल, you know, one never knows. So this is to say, mother is saying, that is to say a force that is purposely acting against sadhana. अब इसके डीप में मैं नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि मेरे को भी इतना ज्यादा adverse forces के बारे में जितना मदर बताती है, you know, she talks a lot about forces, anti-divine forces, which if we are not established in the heart, depths of the heart, we catch those forces which are acting against the divine light. उसको मदर एंटी डिवाइन फोर्सेस कहती है. तो उसमें मैं नहीं जा पाऊंगी because it is not my area of expertise and I cannot go there. So those of you who are interested, they can read further Mother and Sri Aurobindo. Maybe you get to know more about it. So mother is saying, so in all circumstances of life, you must be very careful to guard against despair. Again, कबीर भी यही कहते हैं. कबीर कहते हैं अपने चौकीदार बन के बैठो. जो भी तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें परेशान करके जाता है, इतनी शक्ति रखो कि उसको अंदर नहीं आने देना. This is what Kabir says, you know, be your rakhwala, be the guard of your garden. Otherwise any force will come, anti-divine force will come, it will ruin away the garden. जो अभी तक काम किया था 5 महीने का, सब 1 मिनट में सत्यानाश है ना. And then one has to begin again. So guarding is very, you know, important. Besides, this habit of being somber, morose or despairing does not truly depend on events, as Nehal was also sharing that she's getting to know more and more about that. This is not coming from outside. Sneha also shared, you know, कि उसके मेरा भी कंट्रोल है, मेरी ही रचना है, ये मेरा ही क्रिएशन है. आ तो रही है बाहर से, कैच कौन कर रहा है? मैं ही तो कर रही हूँ. तैयार कौन बैठा है उसको सोक करने के लिए, राइट? But on a lack of faith in nature. One who has faith, even if only in himself, कोई डिवाइन नहीं है उसकी लाइफ में, इमेजिन करो, उसको बस ये है कि मुझे अगर करना है तो मैं कर लूंगा. मदर कह रही है उतना ही बहुत है. आप डिवाइन को भी एंट्री मत दो अपनी लाइफ में। एक अपने पे डीप विश्वास हो कि अगर मेरे को ये कीचड़ जिंदगी में नहीं चाहिए तो मैं इसको एंट्री नहीं आने दूंगा। दैट काइंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रेंथ, free will, right? That person can face all difficulties, all circumstances, even the most adverse, without discouragement or despair. क्योंकि despair जैसे ही आने लगेगा, he would stand up. He would say, hey, I don't want this dukras in my life. I love my life too much. अब देखो, इस बंदे की लाइफ में कोई डिवाइन नहीं है, नाम की भी जरूरत नहीं है, हम इस नाम के बिना भी काम चला सकते हैं। एक डीप 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 लव फॉर योरसेल्फ, deep faith in yourself, that is enough. He fights like a man to the end against these, adverse forces. Natures that lack faith also lack courage and endurance. So if I am ready to guard my own life against all that pulls me down, then I will have the required endurance and courage. This is what Mother is hinting at.
But Monica, one question here. Like, the basic thing is that the divine plays games with us so that, I mean, it's all a Maya Jal or a khel. So we need to kind of learn how to be in that adventure and learn from it and rise while playing this game. So jab already the divine is playing games with us, why does the divine guard us against all these negative thoughts or the negative forces which are playing against us? We are in any case trying to move towards the divine in whatever way possible. तो एटलीस्ट इतना तो करना चाहिए कि जो नेगेटिव फोर्सेस आ रही हैं उनको कंट्रोल कर लो।
अच्छा अच्छा, रितु इमेजिन करो एक छोटा बच्चा है और वो चलना सीख रहा है। जैसे ही वो गिरता है, आप उसको खुद नहीं उठने देते, आप उसको उठा के रख देते हो।
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है, वो तो पेन एंड सफरिंग हो गया कि चलो मुझे गिरा दिया, मेरे को उठना है।
सफरिंग की बात नहीं, एंटी डिवाइन ही मानो ना इसको कि मैं गिरा, वो एंटी डिवाइन है।
नहीं, एंटी डिवाइन वुड बी कि वो बच्चा चलने को ट्राई कर रहा है और कोई आके उसको बार बार गिरा रहा है।
ठीक है, चलो इमेजिन करो कि गिरा रहा है कोई आके, ठीक है।
तो फिर डिवाइन को बोलना चाहिए कि तुम उसको ट्राई करने दो, वो बेचारा वैसे ही नहीं चल पा रहा।
हाँ, बेचारा वैसे नहीं। एक मिनट,
मतलब वैसे कोशिश कर रहा है ना, ही इज ट्राइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू वॉक, सो एटलीस्ट सपोर्ट him rather than kind of bringing him down again and again.
So that is what I am asking you, that imagine that I am a little child, I am learning how to walk. If you go even into the science of how children learn to walk, you will see that if you support them too much, they will be weak. The muscles are weaker if you get too much of support. So only a little support is enough. जैसे घर पे फर्नीचर पड़ा होता है ना, तो बच्चा क्या करता है, हल्का हल्का हाथ लगा लेता है फर्नीचर को, हल्की हल्की सपोर्ट में। If I as a parent begin to support him too much, his muscles will take even a longer time to develop strength.
No, it's not about support. It's like कि घर में एक बच्चा और है, बड़ा वाला बच्चा, तो वो आके उसको फिर गिरा देता है। The smaller one wants to try and walk. He is trying his best. But then the elder child again comes and gives him a push. So the mother is going to tell the elder one कि look, don't trouble him. He is trying to walk. So ये जो negative forces हैं which pull us down, which bring despair in us, which kind of make our faith weaker. तो थोड़ा सा ये तो डिवाइन को अपना कंट्रोल करना चाहिए ना कि ये फोर्सेस ना आए।
अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, जब नेगेटिव फोर्सेस आती हैं तो क्या हमें वो वीक करती हैं, या हमें, अभी बोलना मत, इसका आंसर मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए। हाँ, थोड़ा हम रुकेंगे इस पे, बिकॉज़ इट टेक्स टाइम, या थोड़ा डीप में जाना पड़ेगा। जब भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस आई है मेरी लाइफ में, बहुत डिफिकल्ट चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशंस व्हिच हैव एक्चुअली पुट मी डाउन ऑन नीज, रोई हूँ, बहुत बहुत कराई हूँ। आफ्टर द सिचुएशन हैज गॉन, I found me weaker or stronger. Take your time.
नहीं, but that is like pain and suffering. We already now know that pain and suffering is good for us. They're going to make us stronger. And now that we are trying to move on that process of getting over pain and suffering and trying to live with it, trying to kind of be comfortable with it. तभी भी अगर बीच में ये negative forces आए which bring us despair.
देखो नेगेटिव फोर्सेस, अब जब मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरे को अपनी विल स्ट्रॉन्ग करनी है। विल एक और मसल की तरह है, अगर मुझे विल यूज करनी ही नहीं आएगी तो मैं कैसे उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करूंगी? मेरे को नीति करनी ही नहीं आती, मेरे को रिजेक्शन करना ही नहीं आता। कोई भी बंदा आता है मेरे को अपनी दुख भरी कविता सुना के चला जाता है, मैं उसको नो बोल ही नहीं पाती, तो आएगा बहुत कचरा आएगा। अब इससे मुझे अगेन एज यू आर सेइंग दैट वी आर लर्निंग हाउ टू टेक पेन एंड सफरिंग इन अ राइट एटीट्यूड, है ना। उसके थ्रू हमें क्या है पेन एंड सफरिंग जो सिखाना चाह रही है, हम ये सीख रहे हैं। अब वो क्या रहा है, मुझे अपनी पेन एंड सफरिंग के थ्रू मेरे साथ साथ मेरे को पैरेलली अपनी विल डेवलप करनी है, स्ट्रेंथ करनी है विल, ठीक है। तो अब एक बंदा आता है, अब मैं पढ़ रही हूँ इसमें कि मेरे को अपनी विल डेवलप करनी है, विल डेवलप करनी है, पता नहीं लगा अभी एग्जैक्टली कैसे करनी है। वो बंदा आता है, वो बंदा आके मेरे को अपनी बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी देके चला जाता है, मैं उसको बिल्कुल नो नहीं कर पाती। अब वो बंदा क्यों भेजा गया? वो बंदा आपके ऊपर थप्पड़ लगाने के लिए नहीं भेजा गया कि डिवाइन ने बोला कि ये इसको और गिरा दो और गिरा दो, ना बिल्कुल भी नहीं। एक्चुअली में वो इसलिए भेजा गया कि अगर मैं ये चैलेंज इसके पास भेजूं तब इसको पता लगे कि हे भगवान, ये 1 घंटा सुन के तो मेरे में तो बिल्कुल पॉइजन ही पॉइजन हो गया। अगली बार जब आएगा ना तो मैं इसको सीधा बोल दूंगी नो। सो इफ आई डोंट फेस अ चैलेंज हाउ विल आई ब्लडी नो? मतलब मेरे को करना क्या है विल का, ये होती क्या है विल, मैं यूज कैसे करूं? सो आई हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट पेन ऑफ लिसनिंग टू दैट पर्सन फर्स्ट when I am not able to use my will against him, क्योंकि मुझे रिजेक्शन का डर है कि को मुझे मेरा दोस्त है, क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में अगर मैं ना बोल दूं इसकी दुख भरी कविता के लिए। नेक्स्ट टाइम when he comes I will say, hey brother, I am very interested in your story, but not in that way that you keep on repeating it in loop. I will be interested if you really want to move on in life and not keep on repeating it. तो अगर तूने रिपीट करनी है, अब आप देखो इसमें क्या कर रहे हो, इसमें आप अपना भी हित कर रहे हो। उस बंदे को भी हल्का सा धक्का तो लगेगा, बट उसको ये समझ में आएगा कि ये मैं एक्चुअली में कर क्या रहा हूँ यार, मेरा दोस्त मुझे कह रहा है कि मैं लूप में चला रहा हूँ, अच्छा मैं ऐसा कर रहा था, लूप में चला रहा था मैं। तो he'll actually see a mirror for himself that which has not been helping him. तो हम अगर एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं ना, तो हमें एक दूसरे को सच्चाई का साथ दिखाना होता है, सच्चाई का शीशा दिखाना होता है। ये नहीं कि मैं एक दूसरे को प्यार करती हूँ कि मैं उसकी ईगो संभाल के रखूं और वो मेरी ईगो संभाल के रखे, वो प्यार नहीं है। तो ये जो
बट ये जो नेगेटिव फोर्सेस हैं, ये तो कोई ऐसी नेगेटिव रियल टाइम नेगेटिव फोर्सेस होंगी जैसे तांत्रिक फोर्सेस होती हैं, है ना। ये तो हमारे इन अ वे
तांत्रिक वो इतना डेप्थ में मत जाओ, अभी वहां नहीं जाना। ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है जो मदर टच कर रही है। दिस इज नथिंग, ऑल इन आवर कैपेसिटी।
ओके ओके,
दिस हैज नथिंग टू डू विद तंत्रा सिद्धीज एंड ऑल। ये तो रेगुलर जो नेगेटिव थॉट्स होती है ना, डे टू डे नेगेटिव थॉट्स। मदर इज सेइंग कि आपके पास ही वो शक्ति है जिससे आप उसको नेति कर सकते हो। अब मैं बताती हूँ हम ये क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं। हम ये इसलिए नहीं कर पाते हैं ऋतु एंड नेहल एंड स्नेहा, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद अवर लाइफ। चलो मैं इसकी नेति तो कर दूं, अब जो मेरे पास टाइम बहुत ज्यादा बचा, जो मैं दुख रस में अब नहीं बिता रही, डिस्पेयर में नहीं बिता रही, वो टाइम मैं दूं कहाँ? I found this in my own life, and that is why I'm telling, sharing this with you. Unless I had a higher purpose in my life to give myself to something more than me, जहाँ मुझे अपना टाइम डिवोट करना है, मेरे को नहीं पता था कैसी इन टुच्ची टुच्ची सी चीजों से छूटूं मैं, मेरे को नहीं पता लगा। जब मैंने अपने आप को दे दिया, मदर को समर्पित कर दिया, मदर, हे माय लाइफ बिलोंग्स टू यू, यू यूज इट, then the hold of these forces as if they kind of started to slip away from me. तो ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है जिंदगी में। I have not given myself to higher stuff, to something which I know I can give myself to. और मैं चाहती रहूं कि ये मेरा पंजा छोड़ दे, मेरा मेरे को अपने चंगुल से जाने दे, ऐसा नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा ऐसा। The hold is really strong, but if I touch something higher, if I climb up to a ladder, then these forces are, because they don't have much strength actually, they cannot stand divine light. These are darker forces. So जैसे ही divine light आती है, कमरे में क्या होता है जब लाइट आती है, चाहे कितना कितना भी घना अंधेरा हो, एक लाइट का छोटा सा बिंदु आते ही कमरे में लाइट आ जाती है, चाहे वो छोटा सा बिंदु है. So divine light is something like that. If I allow myself to give myself to divine light, divine work, which is more higher in nature, something more than me, तब इन forces का hold मेरे ऊपर से छूटने लग जाता है. Otherwise मैं यही ऊपर नीचे करती रहूंगी. If I don't have anything worthwhile to do in my life. तो अपने आप को पैरेलली साथ साथ इनके चंगुल से तो छूटना ही है, बट वही है ना कि मैं चंगुल से छूट के करूं क्या अपने टाइम का. सो बहुत जरूरी है दैट यू गिव योरसेल्फ टू सम हायर वर्क in life which is beyond you, which is not just focusing on the person that is you. Otherwise this game can go on for life, you know, there is no end to it. और होता क्या है देखो ना, इमेजिन करो कि आप ना आपस में वो इमोशनल टसल चल रही है 2-3 लोगों की, ठीक है, और खूब झगड़ेबाजी चल रही है बहुत जबरदस्त, यू नो, कि तूने सुबह मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, मैंने शाम को तेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, खूब बहसबाजी चल रही है. एंड सडनली व्हाट हैपेंस, a tiger comes in front, or some, you know, monster, something happens in front which requires all of your attention. अब होगा क्या, जो सारी बहस चल रही थी सुबह रात शाम की कि तूने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, वो क्या, we will forget about that for a moment, and for a moment that becomes the higher purpose, you know. अब बचाओ, जान भगाओ, you know, बचाओ अपनी, भागो यहाँ से, चल मिलके भागें. So that is what the higher purpose does to us. It absorbs our attention, it takes all our energy and time, and then we have no time left for giving time to the emotional tussles and, you know, confusions and all that, क्योंकि उसका तो कोई अंत है नहीं. जब तक एक इंसान जीवित है, ईगो रहेगी, किसी ना किसी मात्रा में, किसी ना किसी डिग्री में ईगो रहेगी. जब तक ईगो रहेगी उसकी परेशानियां भी रहेंगी. सो ये जो एडवर्स फोर्सेस की बात है बिल्कुल रहेंगी, बट उनका होल्ड नहीं रहेगा हमारे ऊपर, ये हो सकता है. Yeah. So let's go below that, strengthening the will, exactly what we were, you know, touching upon. So Sneha, would you like to take it?
Sorry, I was on mute. Yes, I can do it.
Yes.
Mother, how can one strengthen one's will? Oh, as one strengthens muscle by methodological exercise. You take one little thing, something you want to do or don't want to do. Begin with a small thing, not something very essential to the being, but small detail. And then, if for instance it is something you're a habit of doing, you insist on it with same regularity you see, either not to do or to do it. You insist on it and compel yourself to do it as you compel yourself to lift a weight. It's the same thing. You make the same kind of effort, but it is more of an inner effort. After having taken little things like this, things relatively easy, you know, after taking these and succeeding with them, you can unite with a greater force and try more complicated experiment. And gradually, if you keep doing this regularly, you will end up by acquiring an independent and very strong will.
Yeah. So it's about, you know, again, देखो, सबसे पहली तो चीज है, मुझे ये चाहिए होना चाहिए. I should want it. Without wanting to strengthen the will, I cannot actually, you know, होता क्या है हमारे साथ जब जिम विम की हम मेंबरशिप लेते हैं, many a times we just take the membership and we forget about it. We are not able to go. So a want is very important, that yes, I want to experiment with this now in my life, that I want to see what this free will is and how to strengthen it. How do I gym my muscle of this using the will? ठीक है, सबसे पहले want जरूरी है. So mother is saying कि just like you strengthen the muscles, you push yourself. आज 20 kgs का वेट उठाया है, कल 30 का उठाऊंगी, फिर 40 का उठाऊंगी. क्यों उठाऊंगी? क्योंकि करना चाहती हूँ. I want to do it. I like a strong and fit body. ठीक है. So you take one little thing. अब इसमें क्या होता है, imagine that I like a sweet, हाँ, और मुझे I have a weakness for that sweet, and it is at home now. Somebody has brought it. It's a very simple thing, you know. So I am giving myself a very simple challenge. I am saying, Monica, you are not going to touch that sweet. अब इमेजिन करो कि मेरा जो दिमाग है वो सिर्फ उसी पे लगा हुआ है, उसी लेवल पे अभी घूम रहा है. स्वीट बार बार दिख रही है, मैं आ जा रही हूँ, तो मुझे बड़ी परेशानी होगी स्वीट से छूटने में या अपनी विल यूज करने में. बट इफ आई हैव समथिंग हायर टू डू, इमेजिन दैट आई हैव अ क्लास टू टेक, आई एम इंटरेक्टिंग विद स्टूडेंट्स. I will not give, I will say once only, hey Monica, you're not going to touch that sweet, and I will involve myself in some works which require my engagement. I will forget about the sweet. और जब मैं देखूंगी 2 घंटे बाद तो मेरे को वो लालसा ही नहीं रही, you know, I am not even feeling greedy about that sweet anymore. So that is what I was trying to touch upon, that if I don't give myself something to something higher than me, something more than this person, then it is not possible to be on the same floor and, you know, and not be in the hold of these forces, to let go of the greed, for example, in this case. ठीक है, तो ऐसे छोटी सी चीज से मैंने शुरू किया. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉन्ट टू मीट अ पर्सन, हाँ, एंड आई हैव अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्ज टू मीट दैट पर्सन, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ठीक है, यूजुअली हम क्या करते हैं, मन कर रहा है तो हम फोन लगा लेते हैं, बात कर लेते हैं, हाँ. But I want to exercise my will. This is my choice. Nobody is forcing me. I want to force myself. ठीक है, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, I don't call up that person and I don't meet that person. I'm all talking about this through my own experiences, you know. This is nothing theory that I'm sharing here. What I do is I again use this pain of not meeting that person to go deeper within myself. I touch a space very deep in myself where I feel that I have met that person without calling and without physically meeting that person. अब हुआ क्या? Again I strengthened the will. मैंने अपने मन की एकदम से छोटी सी बात पे नहीं मैंने उसको ले लिया. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने उसी मोमेंट को to go deeper within, I changed it, I transformed it. That's a different matter. I may go later and meet that person again. But, you know, because I wanted to do this experiment, out of the love of this experiment, I wanted to do it. Or maybe I remembered, connected with the mother deeply within my heart in that time where I wanted to go and meet the person. This is how one strengthens the will. ठीक है? Just giving you a couple of practical examples. Yeah. And then, for instance, it is something you are in habit of doing. You insist on it with same regularity, है ना? हम क्या करते हैं, हम कोशिश करते हैं बार बार करें, हर दिन 2-3 चीजें ऐसे करें जिसमें अपनी will use कर रहे हैं, right? For example, again using the will, कोई विचार आया, वो आपको past में लेके जाने वाला है. You know that you will get sucked into the loop of this theory again and stories again and again in your head. Again, what I do, out of my love for experimenting, I say, no, I don't want to go there. Instead, I want to spend time in listening to this talk, making notes, or maybe talking to the mother, writing to the mother in my diary, anything higher that involves my energy, that absorbs my energy. Some people may call it distraction, कि तुम अपने आप को distract कर रही हो. कह सकते हैं कुछ लोग, तो उनको बोलो, कह लो तुम distraction. मेरे लिए तो एक्सपेरिमेंट है, तुम्हें कहना है डिस्ट्रैक्शन, तो तुम्हें लगता है.
is it so that like I want to do certain things, that sort of will, the strong will to and that's why it's not happening, and you know I'm not able to execute certain things because I'm not having that kind of very strong will to do that good thing, and
Yes.
then I'm like taken carried away by the negative force. आज नहीं होगा, चलेगा, कल से करना, बाद में करना, and all those excuses come into.
बहुत सुंदर. Yes, yes, Nehal. Yeah, exactly. exactly. Yeah. Okay, so mother is saying this is as good as lifting a weight, but it is more of a inner weight. कोई muscular effort बाहर से नहीं कर रहे हो, inner muscles को train कर रहे हो. And after having taken these little things, जैसे मैंने sweet की बात करी कि मैंने I was able to ignore sweet for a day, or you know maybe chai which I want to experiment with कि आज मैं चाय नहीं पीऊंगी, just experimenting it with it. So I am then able to, then I can move to higher stuff. In the sense more challenging stuff. Imagine पहले मैं sweet छोड़ के देखा, फिर अब मैं क्या करके देख रही हूँ कि एक person to whom I am addicted to meet every second day, so called addiction, you know, to कि इससे तो मिलना ही मिलना है. अब मैं उस पे अपना will exert करके देखती हूँ कि let me involve myself in some higher work today which absorbs my energy, and I will not meet that person. ऐसा नहीं है उससे प्यार नहीं है, बिल्कुल है, but just out of an experiment, you know, like a science experiment, nothing else. And then this is how we strengthen it कि हाँ जब करने को जरूरत पड़े तो फिर आप कर पाओ, क्योंकि एकदम से चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन आएगी जो आपकी विल की डिमांड करेगी, एकदम से हम हो सकता है कि ना कर पाए पूरी तरह से, because the muscle is not well trained. Yeah. And mother is saying that then for a greater experiment, you can unite with a greater force and try a more complicated experiment. Now here one can actually call the force of the mother. You can ask direct, you know, mother's guidance, say, mother, I don't know what to do with situation, you know, please help, please guide. So you are connecting deeply within with mother's force in the depths of your heart, and then you are trying your will on a complicated thing which requires more to go through a lot of pain, if I can say emotional pain, जिससे हम पहले बहुत ज्यादा अटैच थे बट अब छोड़ना चाहते हैं उसको, तो मदर की फोर्स को वी आर कॉलिंग यूनाइटिंग विद इट. And gradually if you do this regularly, you will end up by acquiring an independent and very strong will. है ना, independent because this will not depend on anything else. वो आपके अंदर की
But
चीज
do
है.
we need this no this strong will if like we are trying to surrender and that's perhaps the better way out, then is there any need to develop a strong will?
सरेंडर तो बिना विल के हो ही नहीं पाएगा ना नेहल.
Oh, yeah.
सरेंडर goes hand in hand.
वहाँ पे भी तो ये
हाँ,
चाहिए,
ये आपका कनेक्शन आई
ये
थिंक.
तो चाहिए ही. हाँ.
फिर से बोलना नेहल, आई लॉस्ट यू इन बिटवीन.
No, I think we surrender, we need to be determined. So
Yes.
maybe there also this works. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. हाँ. Okay, so if you are ready, we can take up the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I read?
Yes, Nehal.
Or who is reading?
नेहल की बारी है ना.
Okay. The only way out, you see, in the present condition of the world, circumstances are always the whole world is in a condition of strife, conflict between the forces of truth and light wanting to manifest, and the opposition of all that does not want to change, which represents in the past what is fixed, hardened, and refuses to go. Naturally, each individual feels his own difficulties and is faced by the same obstacles. There is only one way for you. It is a total, complete, and unconditional surrender. What I mean by that is the giving up not only of your actions, work, ambitions, but also of all your feelings, in the sense that all that you do, all that you are, is exclusively for the divine. So you feel above the surrounding human reactions, not only above them, but protected from them by the wall of the divine's grace. Once you have no more desires, no more attachments, once you have given up all necessity of receiving a reward from human beings, whoever they are, knowing that the only reward that is worth getting is the one that comes from the Supreme, and that never fails once you give up the attachment to all exterior beings and things. You at once feel in your heart this presence, this force, this grace that is always with you. रुकेंगे या आगे जाऊं?
हाँ ये पढ़ लो आप, अच्छा है, ये वाला लास्ट पैराग्राफ भी पढ़ लो.
हाँ. And there is no other remedy. It's the only remedy for everybody without exception. To all those who suffer, it is the same thing that has to be said. All suffering is the sign that the surrender is not total. Then, when you feel in you a bang like that, instead of saying, "Oh, this is bad," or "This circumstance is difficult," you say, "My surrender is not perfect." Then it's all right. And then you feel the grace that helps you and leads you, and you go on. And one day you emerge into the peace that nothing can trouble. You answer to all the contrary forces, the contrary movements, the attacks, the misunderstandings, the bad wills, with the same smile that comes from full confidence in the divine grace. And that is the only way out. There is no other.
Yeah, and
This world,
yeah, बहुत,
okay,
I think we covered almost the
yeah,
essence.
yeah,
So this is actually so beautiful, you know, this paragraph is, if we just stick to this paragraph throughout our life, you know, I think हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए और पढ़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कुछ. It's like ultimate remedy for everything. So let's mother is saying that only way out for each human being is to completely turn towards the divine. कुछ और है ही नहीं, कुछ और है ही नहीं. वो अलग बात है हम कब तैयार हो पाते हैं उस चीज के लिए, है ना? Because many a times we are not ready. We still see that I want to complete the desire, I want to run after the desire, the attachment, the expectation from outside persons and situations. तो हम नहीं कर पाते हैं. बट अगर एक तरह की उदासीनता डेवलप हो पाए, you know, a kind of a neutrality towards everything external, people who are outside you, your relatives, your situation, life situations, अगर वो धीरे धीरे एक न्यूट्रलिटी डेवलप हो जाए, पता लग जाए, yes, I am not going to get peace and joy there, then one can very easily come towards divine. And that is the very beauty of our life experiences, you know. हमें लगता है कि हमें बड़े उदास करके जाते हैं, एक्चुअली उनके पीछे एक बहुत अच्छा पर्पस है. वो पर्पस हमें तब समझ में आता है when we get in touch with that essence within us. जब हमें हाथ में हीरा मिल जाता है, when we get the diamond, then only I realized that I was holding to poison. है ना? As long as I have poison in my hand and yet I have not touched the diamond, and somebody is asking me, "Hey, poison छोड़ दे, poison छोड़ दे," I cannot leave the poison. मुझे लगेगा मेरे हाथ खाली हो जाएंगे, कम से कम poison तो है हाथ में, वो तो पकड़ने दो. और तुम्हें जो पॉइजन लग रहा है, मेरे लिए वो पॉइजन नहीं है, मुझे नहीं लग रहा पॉइजन. So that is why, friends, I think earlier also I touched it upon 2 times that if I do not get the higher in life, the lower will keep on bothering me. I will not be able to leave it, and I will not be able to even recognize that it is lower. Once a little bit of light begins to shine in my life and I recognize that lower is lower, it's a fact, the desires, the attachments, the want of appreciation and approval from people is not leading me anywhere, it's a wrong way to go. Only then, when I am able to see poison at poison, I can turn my way towards light. So mother is saying that if the only way out of this suffering actually of life, human misery, is to turn everything to the divine. My thoughts turn to the divine, my feelings turn to the divine, and my expectations also turn to the divine. अब वो आपके और डिवाइन के बीच की बात है, आप जैसा भी रिलेशन रखना चाहो, अब उसमें कोई बाहर का बंदा इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? As if now I have a world within my being, me and the divine. The story, love story is going on, the romance has started, and the external situations or people, from there I will be involved in everything. But the expectations, demands, and desires will not be there because everything has been turned to the divine. तो अब मैं, जिसे कहते हैं ना निष्काम कर्म, अगर गीता का सुना हो निष्काम कर्म, अब मैं वो कर पाऊंगी क्योंकि अब मुझे वहां से कोई कामना नहीं है. मैंने सारी कामना डिवाइन के प्रति कर दी. अब मेरी एक डायरी में चल रहा है शिकायत, गिला शिकवा सब कुछ चल रहा है उसमें कि तुम मुझसे बात नहीं करते हो या जो भी ये कैसे करते हो, वो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. बट द स्टोरी फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड हैज एंडेड. द निष्काम कर्मा हैज स्टार्टेड. Relations will go on beautifully, even much beautiful than what they were before, with expectations and demands. उससे भी ज़्यादा beautiful. Just a second, I have to plug my charger. I'll come back. Yeah. Yes. So now this is how we can actually, begin to practically live Gita in life. गीता तब हो सकती है जब अर्जुन ना कृष्ण की बात सुनने लग गए हैं. कृष्ण के साथ उसका एक बहुत ही घनिष्ठ मित्रता हो गई है, एक ही रथ पे हैं, है ना. अर्जुन अर्जुन तैयार है सुनने के लिए और कृष्ण सुनाने के लिए तैयार है. So if we have this kind of an understanding within the being, with me and the divine presence, then only I will be able to do the right action that is needed in life. It may be killing my own relative, which Arjun did. Many times it is required, or it may be saving some lives. I don't know, depends on the situation. Yeah. And mother is further saying, in between it, she said that here, this one. To all those who suffer, it is the same thing. All suffering is the sign that surrender is not total. तो हमको एक बड़ा ऑब्जेक्टिव एक्सपेरिमेंटेटिव फैक्ट की तरह लेना है कि आज मुझे अनहैप्पी फील हो रहा है, कहीं ना कहीं फिर किसी से जाके जुड़ गई होगी अटैचमेंट या डिजायर. And I do it with myself, and it's so true. It's so true that the moment I am feeling unhappy, I sit for a moment, I see that अब मैंने यहाँ आज के दिन में इस बंदे के साथ मैंने डिजायर अपनी अटैच कर दी है. I am expecting something from this person. I am expecting such and such situation to go in a particular way, and that is the very purpose, reason of my unhappiness. And then correct it immediately. Let it go. Come back within. है ना. तो करना क्या है? Turning everything to the divine, all the gila shikwa to nobody else but the divine, and rest all goes on. Whenever I feel an unhappiness or sadness in myself, I say to myself, my surrender is not complete. Okay, let us see where did I attach myself to today. आज कहाँ जाके चिपक गई. And then let it go. If we want to, again, want is very important. अगर मुझे चाहिए नहीं तो मिलेगा भी नहीं. Yeah. Anything at this? Yeah.
I think everything is all about going back to the divine. Ultimately, it's all like small steps going back to the divine. That's
Yeah.
the ultimate.
Totally. Okay, further, who would like to read this? So the sadhak is asking, mother, where to get this strength? मेरे में नहीं है इतनी strength, where to get this strength? Yeah. Ritu, you are muted.
Yes. So, but where to get such a strength? Within you. The divine presence is in you, it's in you. You look for it outside, look inside. It is in you. The presence is there. You want the appreciation of others to get strength. You will never get it. The strength is in you. If you want, you can aspire for what seems to you the supreme goal, supreme light, supreme knowledge, supreme love, but it is in you. Otherwise, you would never be able to contact it. If you go deep enough inside you, you will find it there, like a flame that is always burning straight up. I think this is like the meditation which we did from the Gnostic Center about the flame within us,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
psychic flame.
Yes, yes.
And don't believe that it is so difficult to do. It is because the look is always turned outside that you don't feel the presence. But if instead of looking outside for support, you concentrate and you pray inside to the supreme knowledge to know at each moment what is to be done, the way to do it, and if you give all you are, all you do in order to acquire perfection, you will feel that the support is there, always guiding, showing the way, and if there is difficulty, then instead of wanting to fight, you hand it over. Hand it over to the supreme wisdom to deal with it, to deal with all the bad wills, all the misunderstandings, all the bad reactions. If you surrender completely, it is no more your concern. It's the concern of the Supreme who takes it up and knows better than anybody else what to be done. The only way out, only way out. There, my child.
Yeah.
So, Monica, the CWM, what does it stand for?
It's collected works of Mother.
Okay, okay. So, this is a book?
No, so this is all available online. I can send you
Okay.
a link where all the collected works of Sri Aurobindo and Mother are present in several volumes, which you can access.
Okay.
It's all available
Yeah.
free.
Mm-hmm.
हाँ,
So, I think this paragraph is about recognizing your psychic being.
बिल्कुल 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 very well, yeah.
Yeah.
अब आप देखो, you know, mother is saying कि problem is that you look for it outside. और होता क्या है,
Yeah.
as long as we are involved in all pleasures and you know the normal the little happinesses of life, all the celebrations and all that, our look is always outside. The moment एक थप्पड़ पड़ता है, एकदम से बंदा शांत हो जाता है, कुछ सोच विचार में पड़ जाता है, एंड वो लगता है एक्चुअली में थप्पड़ है, बट उसका पर्पस जो है ना, हम अगर सिर्फ पर्पस देखें तो पर्पस ये है कि अंदर जाओ अंदर जाओ अंदर जाओ अंदर जाओ, है ना। क्योंकि अगर आज मुझे किसी ने कुछ कहा है, डांट लगाई है, तो मेरा आज क्या कैसा मन होगा, मैं थोड़ी देर शांत होके बैठूंगी। अगर बहुत हल्ला गुल्ला चल रहा है तो मुझे शांत होने का, अपने अंदर जाने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा। सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द वेरी पर्पस of all the slaps and blows in our life, that we go within and find that light, unite with that light, which is our ultimate strength.
Yeah.
Without that, nothing can happen.
So, Monica, I tried a lot to connect with my psychic being, but in that meditation, I mean, I don't know if I could actually connect to the psychic being or not. I mean, I'm not 100% sure. There is somewhere an inner voice, but then this inner voice is there a lot of times. I mean, is it that inner conscience which is the psychic being?
नहीं, इनर कॉन्शियस तो नहीं कह सकते, हाँ इनर वॉइस जरूर कह सकते हैं ऋतु। और दूसरा पता है क्या है, इट्स समथिंग विच इज वेरी इंटेंजिबल। तो मैं आपको ये नहीं बता पाऊंगी हाँ ऋतु यू हैव टच्ड इट, यू विल ओनली नो,
Okay.
यू विल नो,
हाँ.
है ना। जब जैसे
But
होता है ना,
अगर
हाँ बताओ,
अगर मैंने टच किया होता तो मेरे को पता चल गया होता ना.
आपको पता लग जाता, आपको पता लगेगा, इन द सेंस यू विल नो दैट यस दिस इज इट, दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर आई नीड टू बी ऑल द टाइम। यू विल नो, एंड यू नो इट टेक्स टाइम, इट विल टेक टाइम, है ना। और सबको टाइम लगता है, और कभी कभी सुनो जिंदगी भर लग जाती है, जिंदगी भर। It's, but the thing is that you will keep on moving closer and closer to it, and you will get the taste of it, because you will see that yes, I am able to maintain a sanity in life, I am able to maintain an inner peace, and yet I am able to take right decisions. है ना? तो वो आपको खुद पता लगना लग जाएगा, एक इनर बैलेंस अपने आप आपको मिल जाएगा. You will only know. Yeah. For me, I think again, there is a knowing, है ना? जैसे I know that this is the space I need to be when I am at rest, and when I am even not, even I'm, for example, talking to a person, I have to take a decision. है ना? Where do I go? I check within. Touch that space within, and that answers. अभी हुआ क्या कुछ दिन पहले, I would like to share this experience. So there was something which I needed to change in my work, in the style of my work. And so a person shared something with me, and I actually could not help tears. So that person shared something with me, that this is how maybe the style has to be changed. And I could not stop tears, and I did not know why am I crying, because I felt almost helpless, that how should I change my style? This is my style. So what I did, after being in the mind for a little while, I said, mother, I don't know how to go about it. You only tell. And I did not actively think about that solution to be found. Okay, usually क्या होता है, हम माइंड के तल पे ही सोचते रहते हैं, है ना? तो मैंने वो छोड़ दिया, क्योंकि मुझे आदत नहीं है वो काम करने की. और after a long time this challenge came again, where I had to be in the domain of mind. So what I did, I immediately, after a few moments, I said, mother, you only know, you guide what is the right way to do. And you would not believe, the next time that thing had to happen, where my changed style was needed, automatically the style changed of speaking, which that person was asking, कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. And when I asked his feedback, that person's feedback, did you think that it went well and all was okay? She shared that exactly what I was asking you that day, on which you felt helpless, exactly that I felt as if it got incorporated in your style. And I did not do anything active about it. So here mother is saying, that if there is any difficulty, instead of wanting to fight, you hand it over. बड़ा आसान हो गया मेरा काम, तो मैंने तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं, अपनी एनर्जी बिल्कुल भी ड्रेन आउट नहीं की. I said, mother, if you think right, guide me to the right style of speaking or whatever. Hand it over to the supreme wisdom to deal with it, to deal with all the bad wills, all the misunderstandings, all the bad reactions. And if you surrender completely, it is no more of your concern. It is the concern of the Supreme who takes it up and then, makes the desirable change. And it's beautiful the way, even I was kind of, really surprised कि ये हुआ क्या, मैंने तो कुछ actively सोच के नहीं किया. और मुंह से वो निकला जो निकलना चाहिए था, जो डिमांड थी सिचुएशन की. So this is how we can incorporate it in daily life, giving our difficulties not to the mind, but to the mother. Yeah. Yeah, I think we can stop at this, because this is actually enough, that we need to get in touch with that deeper flame. Without that, nothing would happen. Give it all to the mother. Again, first it begins in the thought, that in thought I say, mother, you do it. And also in the feelings. And then physically, we feel a presence, that yes, I know that mother is with me. Like that. Yeah.
But these writings are really very, very beautiful, and it like pinpoints very clearly, so as if she's addressing you only. So not
Exactly.
some sadhak, but it's like all about you. When you read, you are like, yeah, this is what she's telling you.
Bilkul. Yeah. Okay. Great.
But one
Nice.
question.
Yes.
Is there ever a situation where, I mean, I'm sure with you it must be, but with most of the people, wherein they are comfortable with pain and suffering?
I mean, there's some pain and they think, oh, चलो अच्छा हुआ, थोड़ी सी पेन आ गई. I
नहीं,
was kind of.
ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा हुआ बोलेंगे. बहुत ही एक शांति से वन गोज थ्रू इट, इन द सेंस दर्द तो हो रही है. आई थिंक इफ आई शेयर माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस, दर्द हो रही होती है, बट ये लग रहा होता है कि इसमें से कुछ शुभ होगा. साथ साथ ये भी फीलिंग होती है, क्योंकि आई नो दैट एज आई एम गोइंग थ्रू पेन, I see myself that I go deeper within my being. I touch mother even more strongly when I am going through pain. So ऐसा साथ में parallelly ये भी knowing होती है कि something auspicious is happening.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Initially, you know, in the first exercise, you had mentioned that we should try and call pain and suffering and try to talk to pain and suffering.
Yeah.
And be face to face with them. तो वो मैंने कई बार ट्राई किया, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर. मतलब फॉर सम टाइम yes, it felt like more at peace, but after a while again the fear of pain and suffering started. I mean, for some time it was like, okay, let pain and suffering be there, that's a part and parcel of life. But then again probably I got disconnected or something, you know.
Yeah. Actually,
Nehal, have you ever tried it? I mean, have
I
you
have tried
been
it. Yeah, but I'm not able to reach the way it has to be. But I'm trying it when I go through migraine, because that's my problem in terms of physical pain. So I get many a times migraine, and I'm trying to like take care of it. But वो एक threshold limit develop करनी होती है ना, वो छूट जाती है. तो फिर after some time दैट्स गेटिंग प्रोलॉन्ग. जैसे अभी मैं पहले जल्दी से दवाई ले लेती थी, अभी मैं जल्दी जल्दी दवाई नहीं लेती हूँ. आई गिव सम टाइम, लेट इट गो, लेट इट गो. अब देखते रहो क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. एंड देन व्हेन इट्स लाइक अब नहीं सहन हो रहा है, अब ले लो. सो वो टाइम पीरियड हैज इंक्रीज्ड, सो आई डोंट टेक मेडिसिन immediately. I try to look for it for a longer period of time, how much I am able to go through that, and then I take the medicine when required. So ऐसे अभी ऐसा चल रहा है, but not like completely being observant. वो total observant नहीं हो जाता है, वो switch हो जाता है, आता है जाता है, आता है जाता है.
Also, calling peace helps a lot. You know, calling.
Yeah, that really works.
Yeah.
That really
So in
works because I get
physical pain,
tensed very easily. So
Hmm.
when I feel I'm very restless, I try to practice that. So I go back into it, and because I can make out ये अभी बहुत ज़्यादा मेरा breathing बढ़ गया है, and you get anxious at times when you are doing something major. तो उस time पे वो काम करता है, when you are calling peace and you go back within.
Yeah.
calling peace is like something we used to like up grandparents would say shanti, om shanti, है ना. मतलब they would also kind of keep repeating it थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के बाद.
Yeah.
And as kids we would like पता नहीं क्या बोलते रहते हैं. Yeah.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Yeah. Monica, for how many hours in a day do you sleep?
Good one. Yeah, actually, I sleep, and I have seen that the more I call actively peace and stillness in the before sleeping, the less I have to sleep.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's
At a
true.
stretch, at a stretch, I sleep, for example, for 3 hours or so, and then always around a particular time, I would get up and maybe kind of a half awake state and then sleep again. So I do sleep,
Okay.
but it's like वही है कि कम में भी काम चल जाता है.
हाँ. So
After
on an
when I
average you sleep 3
हाँ
to
जी,
4 hours in a day. 3-4 घंटे सोते हो आप?
more than that, because I keep on lying down in a very half awake state. It's not that I just get up and do some work all the time. Not all the time. When I have to do something, then I do. but I like that feeling of just being in that stillness of जो mother कहती है ना, stillness of the cells and peace in the cells, and also half awake, so I like that state, so I keep on lying down. So about 5
Okay.
hours or so.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, 5 hours should be enough if your body is charged by.
Actually, Mother and Sri Aurobindo used to sleep very, very little, very little. And again, if they were full of this divine consciousness, Mother was working on her cells all the time. तो और
Okay.
मैंने ये अपने experiences में भी feel किया है. अभी तो nowhere close to many good things, but yes, from what I used to be before, if I see at the moment, the kind of exhaustion that I used to go through, I don't go through exhaustion owing to this calling of peace and stillness in the being. And also in less sleep, I feel more charged up and ready to go, ready to move. And that was not before I started to sleep consciously. और अभी भी होता है. Imagine one day I did not call peace, I feel the difference in my sleep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just lie down and you call for peace.
So I lie down like my back on the bed and my face up on the ceiling, and I
Yeah.
don't move for say about 10 minutes before going to sleep. I don't move, and I actively feel as if an inner eye is there, और वो जो अंदर की आंख है वो अंदर की बॉडी को एक एक मूवमेंट को, माइंड की मूवमेंट को, फीलिंग की मूवमेंट को देख रही है. नथिंग शुड मूव, नो फीलिंग शुड कम, नो थॉट शुड कम. वही एक्टिव रिजेक्शन जो अभी आज हम स्ट्रेंथनिंग द विल की बात कर रहे थे. एंड पीस एंड स्टिलनेस इन होल ऑफ द बॉडी. सो मदर सेज दैट लाइक अ रैग on the, like a towel on the bed, you should not move. And I also try this with my kids, and they are also responding really very very well. मैंने तरु को भी बताया था, she is also trying. तो बच्चों को भी रात को, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल माय एल्डर वन, ही यूज्ड टू हैव दिस नर्वस एनर्जी. रात के टाइम पे इधर उधर भटकता रहेगा, नींद नहीं आएगी. तो उसको मैंने ये शुरू किया, पैर दबा के कॉलिंग शांति शांति, एंड विद इन 2 minutes ही वुड स्लीप. अदरवाइज ही वुड कीप ऑन रोमिंग हियर एंड देयर.
That's very nice.
या
Yeah.
इट वर्क्स. या बच्चे ना सुन लेते हैं. बच्चों को बोलो ना कि आप बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं सोचना, दिमाग बिल्कुल
They have
शांत.
faith, they trust you. It's like surrender. They would surrender to you. As and when we grow up, we use our mind more often. Is it right? Do you think it's gonna help?
Exactly.
And a lot of times when I sleep, I keep getting a lot of dreams, which kind of, instead of making me relax, they make me more tired.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So I
आप एक
think by
बार
calling peace,
कॉलिंग पीस ट्राई करो, कॉलिंग स्टिलनेस ट्राई करो, और आई एम श्योर see very sudden changes. This, it works very
yeah,
fast.
yeah. But now I become observant towards my dreams also. I mean, I try and think about it. Why did I have this dream? I mean, do you think, I mean, the dreams also kind of reflect what your thoughts are. So
Exactly.
it's surprising that the dreams also teach you that, okay, are you still stuck with those thoughts
Very
which
nice.
happened 10 years back? Today it's coming back on my dream. So it's sad how we get stuck in some situations which keep affecting us even till now.
Definitely. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही सुंदर. Yes. Yeah.
Good. It was a nice session today.
Yeah, same here. I enjoyed it as well.
Yeah.
चलो चाय वाय पी लो.
So you're gonna be doing that 6 o'clock. वो तो खत्म हो गया होगा ना योगेश मोहन्स?
नहीं नहीं, मैं आजकल नहीं कर रही हूँ योगेश मोहन वाला. I did it for a good time, when I actually really badly needed it, and I was so grateful
Okay.
that I had it. Yeah, nowadays I do my own. Yeah.
Okay. Without any outside help?
At the moment I'm not using any music or anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Earlier I used, even the meditation 14 minutes that I shared with you. No,
Yeah.
I used it like an obsession. I used that meditation. I
Okay.
really got a lot of benefit from that.
Yeah. So when you do it without any external help or music or anything, so how do you get to know कि अब time हो गया?
Actually, it's a meditative state throughout the day.
Okay.
So then you don't need to sit in half an hour meditation. देखो, there was a time when I was very very disturbed, and then I needed that peace for at least चलो 1 घंटा तो मिले वो शांति है ना.
हाँ
So
हाँ हाँ.
once that peace gets settled in the being, then it's as if throughout you are with the mother and the meditative state goes on.
Okay, okay.
Then the external meditation is not required.
Yeah, that must be so nice.
See, there may come a phase again where I'm disturbed again and I need those external supports. But it's
Mm-hmm.
all about ups and downs in life. What about that?
Yeah.
At the moment, I'm not needing it. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Good. Okay. Yeah.
Chale? Okay, take care.
हाँ,
Okay,
bye
bye.
Nikhil,
Bye.
Monica.
Bye.